Good morning, everyone. Today it is Friday, and it is the last day of work for me before I'm going away on holiday. So I'm super excited. There's lots of things that I need to finish and make sure that I hand over to my colleagues and just, overall last day at work stuff. But I am so excited. Currently, the weather in the UK looks like this. Not super bad, but also not sunny at all. And I am a little bit sad because we're going to Croatia next week and it's supposed to rain there as well. And it's been like 35 degrees constantly for the past 2 months. And now the week we're going there, it's gonna be not as great, but we're still holding, crossing our fingers and hoping that it's not gonna be that bad. People have said that even though the weather forecast shows rain, usually it doesn't really rain that much, and afterwards it's really warm, so you can still go to the beach, and that's what we're planning to do. But anyways, we're gonna have a lovely holiday despite of the weather. But yeah, I thought I would just start a new vlog just to sort of walk you around what I'm gonna be doing these past days, these last days before going away. But that being said, I also have multiple videos that are very tailored to a specific subject, and I'm gonna leave them up here. I have one video on what I'm gonna pack and all types of packing tips and tricks because I'm only gonna have a carry-on, and actually this is the first time I'm having a carry-on. Usually I don't even have that. I usually just have a backpack everywhere I go. This is the first time I'm gonna have a carry-on on vacation, so this feels like a luxury to me. Then I have another vlog with all the beauty prep that I'm gonna be doing. So far none of it has started, so I'm gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, I'm gonna wax, I'm gonna do like all types of things. Also my nails, I really need a manicure and a pedicure. And then I have another vlog about things that you should be doing before going on holiday, but this is more like home and house related. I have a whole playlist of travel this year because it is very exciting for me and it's a big thing for me, and I've been waiting for this holiday for about 8 months. That's how long I booked it, 8 months ago. But yeah, now we're gonna go to work because it's already 9, so I need to get a start on. It's also the last day of my summer hours because we have summer hours on Friday since the beginning of summer. So we've been finishing at 2:30 p.m. every Friday basically. And today's the last day of that. So I still can take advantage of it, but from next week it's back to normal hours, 9 to 5. So let's go and get my work colleague, Simba. I'm sorry if you can hear the washing machine, but it's currently on with our last bits of laundry before the holiday. But I'm gonna basically be here. I have a list. I also have some chocolates in case I need some energy. And I'm gonna spend most of my day here. But before that, I'm gonna have a quick breakfast of the Romanian food. Romanian soup I made a couple of days ago that is also up here. It's 2 hours of working done. Bags are packed. I've just filmed the video packing everything with a few tips and tricks, so if you want to see that, I'll leave it up below. But that's basically everything we're gonna be taking with my bum bag. And now I'm gonna go downstairs and finally set my out of office message because I'm done. Like, I still have one task to do and that's it. And then I'm done for the next 10 days basically. This is the best feeling in the world, setting up my out of office message. I'm currently out of office until the 6th of September with no access to my emails. Love it. So now it's shutting down. We are done. completely done, officially on holiday from work at least. I am so happy. Don't get me wrong, I love my workplace, but sometimes holidays is like so needed and so refreshing to have, so that's what I'm hoping to completely recharge and come back with like super strong forces. And yes, now I'm gonna chill out for a bit. It's currently 3 and I have an appointment tonight at 7, so I still have a few hours. I need to edit a video as well, and now I'm just gonna chill and watch some YouTube videos and do nothing for like an hour. I'm making some chicken breast because I'm making a salad with feta cheese, cucumbers, parmesan, and some crunchy salad. And I'm also gonna go in the garden to get some tomatoes. I ate my lunch. I'm currently watching Zoella's vlogust and playing a little bit of Teamfight Tactics. Simba is also there. And I'm just so exhausted. I don't know if it's the excitement for going on holiday or if it's the stress of the weather forecast or if it's just the things that I've been doing this week that are catching up to me because it was a pretty busy week. But I think I'm gonna take a nap. I wanted to be productive and edit a video, but just feel very tired. So it's currently 4:30. I have my appointment at 7 and I could take public transport, which would be like roughly like 45 minutes, so I would need to leave by 6. Or I could get a taxi that would take me there in 10 minutes and I can leave at 7. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a quick little nap. I haven't really been taking naps since I've been on my anemia medications, but today I feel like it is a pretty good day to have a nap. I'm gonna lay down here, I'm gonna finish my game, and then I'm gonna take a little hour nap. It's gonna make me feel refreshed. Nap has been had. I woken up feeling a little bit more refreshed. Actually, I haven't woken up myself. Simba did because it's 6 and he needs his food. So he came right onto my ear and started meowing really hard. That's what he usually does when he wants to wake me up. But that's fine. I fed him. Now he's happy and I'm happy because I'm a little bit more refreshed. And I know why I'm feeling this way. And it's because of the rain when we get there. Because I struggle really hard with letting go of control, and the rain stops me from having any kind of control over what's gonna happen that day. And so I woke up straight thinking about that, and I knew that's why. That's what makes me feel like this. I feel miserable. I feel like I want to do a lot of things to change the weather, but I can't. So I'm just gonna take it slow. I'm gonna go now and remove this face of makeup because I'm gonna go to the salon and I'm gonna do my brows. But I will be filming a different vlog with all the beauty treatments and all the beauty prep that I'm gonna be doing for this holiday. So I'm gonna stop this vlog here and I'll leave the other one up here for you guys if you want to watch it. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.